Social media. Fortune 500 companies are doing it. Mom, Dad, and even Grandma are doing it. FECs have started doing it. Are you? Maybe you're struggling with jumping on the social media bandwagon. Maybe you're weary of the elusive ROI. Maybe you're unsure of how to tackle social media, or you just don't have the time or resources to run successful campaigns, or as we like to call them, conversations. At TrainerTainment, we know there's a science behind the social media revolution. We've managed pilot programs with FECs to find which variables make for a successful solution, and we're ready to share them with you. Meet Brooke Ballard. Brooke has a BA in Communications from Penn State University, and her thesis work on social media was so powerful that she was invited to the state capitol in Harrisburg, PA to present her findings. With her extensive knowledge of communication theories and content messaging, Brooke brings top-notch social media programs to TrainerTainment with proven success. We invite you to visit us at TrainerTainment.net, check out our services, and join in the conversation with us today. TrainerTainment offers something for everyone when it comes to social media marketing. We offer on-site training for your social media team leader, offering a comprehensive look on how to implement successful social media campaigns. If you need a deeper look into your specific social media needs, we offer bi-monthly coaching with custom reports on your sites, showing you data on click rates, demographics, engagement, and influence scores. During bi-monthly calls, we'll go over your scores and talk about how to capture growth and engagement on your pages. And for the company that doesn't have the time or resources to manage a social media campaign, we offer everything from setting up your social media sites to strategizing and implementing the campaigns, promotions, public relations, and more, keeping you up to speed on your weekly progress. Our pilot programs have allowed us to see what does and doesn't work for entertainment-based businesses. So we invite you to take a load off, never worry about what's being said or written, and reap the benefits of a well-planned social media campaign.